Hi everyone, Scott here with Octo. Today we're going to be installing our magnetic light covers. These ceiling light covers are great because they work on LED or fluorescent fixtures. The magnetic strips connect to the metal ceiling grid, giving you the seamless fit with no drooping or sagging like other magnet light covers. So let's get started. When you receive your Octo magnetic light cover, first you're going to want to find a clean, dry surface to work on. Inside, you'll find your new light cover, 4 magnetic strips to attach to your ceiling grid, as well as the easy install guide. So let's put it all together and get you some relief from those harsh lights. Start by applying the long magnetic strip first. Peel back 2 inches of the adhesive strip to get it lined up. Then continue applying the magnetic strip a few inches at a time. Do not remove the entire adhesive backing. After applying both long sides, now apply the short magnetic strips. Remember to do just a few inches at a time without taking off the entire adhesive backing. Now, let's apply the light cover to your ceiling grid. Start by lining up the long side of the cover to the metal ceiling grid, and then push down the center of the cover, attaching the rest of the magnetic strip to the ceiling grid. Then, smooth out any bumps or bubbles along the way. Congratulations on installing your new Octo magnetic light cover. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us. We are happy to help. Thank you again for choosing Octo, and remember, whatever style lights you have, Octo has you covered.